Hi everyone, it's Eva from Noshkia's Nails. I just wanted to share a recipe I put together randomly, and if you're doing keto, this is a great snack to have. If you have a sweet tooth also, there's a lot of different seeds that are going to be included in this chocolate bark. So basically, the stuff that I chose were pumpkin seeds. Start off right here. This has 1/4 of a cup of pumpkin seeds, and then I chopped up some pecans. That's 1/4 of a cup too. These are all like serving size. Next are whole flax seeds. Serving size is 2 tablespoons, and then I also have 2 tablespoons of the chia seeds. And the last time I made it, I didn't put any coconut flakes, but I figured this time I should just give that a try. This is 1/3 of a cup of unsweetened coconut flakes. And then we have 1/4 of a cup of lightly roasted almonds. And then in the middle, you will find some Lily's dark chocolate. This is the one that's sweetened with stevia. Serving size, I'm trying to remember how many grams it was. I think it was like 14 grams. In here, it's actually measured to 98 grams, which serves 7 people. But again, you're going to make a bunch of this, and then you can choose how much you want to eat. And then in the middle is just a little bit of Kerrygold butter. It's 2 tablespoons of that. So we're going to start off by melting the chocolate and the butter in the microwave. I'm going to put it in there for 30 seconds. Mix it up, and then probably add it in there for another 10 seconds, and then we'll go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients and just kind of lay it out and freeze it. Alright, so now you're going to pop that in the freezer for a couple of hours, and then we'll show you what it looks like as the finished result. I just wanted to show a close-up and do a quick taste test for you guys. I'm just going to take this little tiny piece and very crunchy, and it's really delicious. That Lily's chocolate really adds a nice flavor to it. Plus it's got stevia, so it's not bitter chocolate, it's 50%. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and take care. God bless. Bye.